Hello everybody, welcome to Deluxe Collectibles, and today I'm going to be showing you all the brand new LEGO Creator 3-in-1 2020 summer sets. So there were 3 of them that were revealed, and today I'm going to be showing you all of the images for these, which are thanks to Promo Bricks. I'll leave the link to their website down below, but they're the ones who posted the HD photos, at least where I was able to find them. So it's pretty cool. There's some really nice sets here, and you'll get to see all of them, and then later on the channel, I'll make sure to do a ranking video for them as well. So if you do enjoy this video, please leave a like and also subscribe if you would like to see that ranking video in the future. And just thank you so much for watching this video, and let's get into it.